Now we will discuss the status of technology in India. Information technology is, how do we define information technology? We say that we are in the era of information technology. So, how do we define it? It is said to be a science or technology with a combination of hardware and software, involving what? Involving data storage and processing information. It may be a science of computer and telecommunication that incurs information capturing, storing, and transmittance world over. And this study includes structural design, development, application, support, and management of computer based data systems, especially software development, applications, and hardware computing. The science of information technology administers using computers and its software to store, process, transmit, preserve, recuperate information safely. At this information epoch, the science of IT integrates other sorts of inventional technologies like usage of cell phones, iPods, Apple TV, in addition to conventional PC, networking, and internet technologies. The industry for information technology in India includes services, namely IT, software services, IT enabled services, hardware, which is engineering services, e business, e governance associated with government services. IT services are outsourcing of software support, installation, processing services, system integration, export of products and services, training, education of information technology science. IT enabled services include those that have been transformed through telecom and networking associated with remote maintenance, back office operations, data processing, medical record transcriptions, leading to the formation of BPO, KPO, LPO, etc. Engineering hardware services consists of industrial design, mechanical design, CAD/CAM, which includes that, electronic design systems, chip, board, embedded software design, design validation testing services, industrialization, and prototyping. Business executed through internet, that is e-commerce or e-business, purchase of sale of products and services, customer service, business collaboration related to any kind of business undertaking, and e-governance in public sector. What is e-governance? That is the dispersal of government benefits via internet. So today we hear about direct benefit transfer. That is because of e-governance. So this rapid growth of IT industry is in fact actually a result of the strength of the industry as such in terms of availability of highly skilled technical resource, minimum wage structure, service quality and operational efficiency, favorable government policies and initiatives by the government in terms of setting up of technological park, implementation of e-governance projects. Some of the some of the global companies which have been, very instrumental in making sure that IT industry as such has grown, include global giants like Microsoft, Oracle, IBM. Adoption of quality standards, especially the CMM level, capability majority model level, is one of the very much instrumental factors in propelling IT industry, Indian IT industry on the global platform. Cost competitiveness, effective English speaking professionals, development of significant telecommunication infrastructure, country's geographical location, which is an advantage because it has the ability to provide 24 by 7 services and reduce turnaround time, taking advantage of the time difference as such. So, major government initiatives are also important. Been a propeller actually in for the IT industry. That is the Department of Information Technology, controlled by Ministry of Communication, Information Technology in India, has been accountable for formulation, execution, reassessment of national policies related to IT, such as hardware, software, standardization of procedures, internet, e-commerce, e-business, e-medicine, education of IT and computer science, development of electronics and administration of IT related cyber laws, along with DIT, that is the Electronics Export and Computer Software Promotion Council, National Information Informatics Center, which serves as functions for the hardware and software industry development, comprises of knowledge-based enterprises, various measures to promote IT exports, industrial competitiveness of the industry as well. The vision to propel India as a global superpower in the field of IT, a cutting-edge competitor in the innovative sphere, and to bring forth advantages of IT in each and every aspect of manhood by Department of Information Technology, has been a major catalyst with the adoption and implementation of National E-Governance Action Plan and Unique Identification Development Authority of India program. Different policy packages involve growth of electronics and hardware production, increased PC penetration in every nook and corner of the country, more utilization of internet throughout the country, progression of domestic software market, facilitating local languages through IT, increasing productivity in other sectors and exploring IT in creating more employment opportunity. In this regard, the technical advisory group of unique projects has been set up with under the leadership of Nandan Nilekani, and the constitution of this National Task Force on Information Technology and Software Development is to basically to make a framework for long-term IT policy nationally. Legislation on Information Technology Act to furnish legal patronage facilitating electronic business and trade, establishment of separate software technology parks of India, basically again to augment software exports, and 51 STPI centers have been set up. Projects to develop information technology investment regions invested with good infrastructure to derive maximum benefits of the networking and efficiency. So you would see that the government is itself propelling the IT industry to come forward, adopt, upgrade latest technologies so that India as such can feature on the global platform. And this is the major reason why you would see that today in India we have unicorns, not one, not two, not three, but more than 50 unicorns from in the startup world, and majority of them actually leveraging technology to basically find success on the global platform. So the steps that the government has been taking in terms of digital privacy, cybercrime is also an important advancement in this field and is likely to further the cause of the IT industry.